Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my channel that Dormant. Today I will show you how to reduce the ping in KrJP server for the Asian players, those who want to rank push in KrJP. Look, my ping is around 300 ms. Okay, I will show you this playing a match TDM. This is a simple VPN trick. Okay, you can try it for conqueror pushing in any season. Look, my ping is 430 ms. Okay, now how we can reduce the ping? Very simple. You have to go on the Google Play Store and search the UU Game Booster, and have downloaded it. I have already downloaded, that's why I am opening it. It will take some time. Okay, just you have to need that. You have to only connect PUBG Mobile KrJP. Don't connect any other server because it doesn't work in other server. It only work in KrJP server. Now it is connected. It will automatically start the PUBG Mobile. Otherwise, you can click on the PUBG Mobile logo. Okay. Do you remember? My ping was around 430. Okay. Now look, my ping is 200. Okay, I will start a match. Okay, let me show you. My VPN is already connected, still not connected. Okay, look, it's showing the VPN. My ping is still not connected. When I entered the match last time, it showed me around 430. Okay, it's 184 ms. Okay, it is 184 ms.
Team match, let's go.
It worked.